Get paid daily with these apps that I'll share with you in today's video. They work for absolutely free and also on iOS and Android devices. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you get notified whenever I upload a brand new strategy. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up to support me and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question at all. Without any further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything, and stay till the end because I'm going to give you multiple sources and you can get easily lost and confused. So the very first source that I want you to go over is this one here called Future Points, and it's over at futurepoints.com. You can get rewarded by using your phone or even here on the web with surveys, cashback and many more tasks as well. So you can just use the desktop version by signing up here, or you can even download the app on App Store and Google Play Store. Over at App Store, they got 2.6 thousands of ratings with 4.3 stars reviews, and also on Google Play Store, they got more than 120,000 of reviews with 3.8 stars. So back to their official website, I'm going to mention some of the features of this platform. You're going to see that they've paid more than $5 million to their members since 2012, which shows that this is a legit platform because it has been around for 10 years now, and most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time. So you can just scratch and win 50,000 points instantly, and you're going to see that they offer some contests as well, so you can even do those contests, but you can even do some tasks like completing surveys, and you're going to earn points by sharing your opinion with them. And these questions may be if you own a dog, or what car do you drive, and so on. You can earn cash back by just shopping on your favorite retailers, as you can see over here, and also you can earn money by downloading apps. You can try, for example, free games, and you can play and earn some points, and of course you're going to redeem those points for money. I'm going to show you that in a minute. You can even share this platform with friends, but even people that want to get paid online and earn money in passive income. You're going to get paid up to 50% every time that your referrals earn points for life. So then you're going to redeem those points for awesome rewards. You can get paid through PayPal, but also through gift cards including Amazon, Starbucks, PlayStation. You can even get paid in Bitcoin and so on, which is pretty awesome. As I said before, this platform has also an app on Google Play Store and App Store, so you can even install this app on your smartphone device. I'm going to proceed right now with the second platform for today, which is called AdWallet, and it's over at adwallet.com. This is a platform that is going to get you rewarded for watching videos, and you can just see that each interaction with a video is going to take you like a few minutes, and you can get paid up to $3, which is pretty awesome. And also you're going to get notified whenever a video is going to be up, and you're going to log in and then watch the short video, which is handpicked just for you, so you don't need to open up the app in order to see if there are any videos for you to watch. You're going to get rewarded a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 for each video interaction, and of course you can even make money by inviting new people over here, and you're going to earn an additional $1 for every person that you bring over here. And then when you reach $10 in your account, you can easily cash out. They've paid to their members more than $1 million in their first 12 months, which shows that this has a lot of potential. And you're going to see that beside watching videos and referring people over here, you can even complete online surveys, and are going to pay you through MasterCard, also e-gift card, but you can even donate the money if you want to. So down here you're going to see some testimonials from people that are using this platform, and also you have some frequently asked questions over here. In order to get started, all you need to do is to just click on the sign up button that you can find in the upper right corner. After that, just put some of your information and you can just get paid again and again by watching videos, taking surveys, and even referring new members over here. So this was the second platform for today. I'm going to proceed to the third one, which is called Cash Karma. This is over their official website cashkarma.io, but they do offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store that I'm going to show you in a minute. First of all, I want to mention that you can earn rewards by completing surveys, but also some other tasks as well. You're going to see that you can even install it here and get 300 points, and you're going to check out the app on Google Play Store that got more than 90,000 of reviews with 4.1 stars out of 5, and also here on App Store they got more than 500 of ratings with 4.4 stars, which is better than on Google Play Store. So let's see some of the features of Cash Karma here on their official website. First of all, you're going to just redeem those points that you're going to accumulate by completing some tasks by getting paid in PayPal Cash and Amazon gift cards, as you can see, and also gift cards codes are going to be loaded right on your device. A lot more gift cards are going to be added very soon. You're also going to earn bonuses, and you can earn those bonuses when you earn achievement badges. You can, for example, complete 5 offers, watch 25 videos, and so on, and you're going to increase your reward level every time you're going to earn those badges. You can earn up to 12.5% bonus each time that you complete an offer. So there are a lot of ways to get paid with Cash Karma, and I highly recommend that you start right away because it has an app available on App Store and also on Google Play Store. So I'm going to proceed to the last platform for today, which is called Money SMS. I'm over at moneysmsapp.com. So this is a free Android app that is going to make you able to earn money automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. Let's see some of their main features. This is only available on Android, unfortunately, because only Android allows apps to access SMS. You're going to earn money automatically, which is pretty awesome actually, and you're going to get paid whenever you receive an SMS text message. It is absolutely secure, don't worry about that. And also they offer a referral program that you can just bring new members over here and get paid 30% from their earnings. And this app is completely free. You just need to sign up by downloading and installing the APK. You can even see some instructions over here how to do that, and you can keep the app and internet running on your phone. You're going to receive those test SMS, and after that you're going to get paid 2 cents per each message, which is not a lot of course, but it's still very good to earn some extra money by just receiving some SMSs for absolutely free by not doing anything at all. So you're going to see that you can withdraw your money once you hit €2 in your balance, and also you're going to withdraw your money within 48 hours. They pay you through PayPal, Skrill, WebMoney, but even cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And if you're wondering why this platform is paying you, is because mobile network operators need to send some SMS text messages to foreign countries so they can verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS, and you're going to help them with this thing, and you don't need to worry because they're not going to read any of your private messages. You can even see here some of their privacy policies. So this was the last platform for today. I really recommend that you use all of them if you can in order to maximize your earnings. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it, and if you did, you can give a thumbs up to it, a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Lady Nemia's World. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.